Okay, here it goes. Can't believe he's doing this. Look at this, Gabby. Check this out, Serena. There goes your brother. Say goodbye. Look at him. I'm gonna back up so I can see his little face. It's kind of hard to see. Watch his little faces before you know it's over. Look at his little feet. And see his face. Watch, she's probably tripping. Oh, that was funny. All right, Omar, you did it. Omar, look at me. Give me thumbs up. Knuckles. She's all pissed off.